A group of expats curious about TCM had a field day at Shanghai University of Traditional Chinese Medicine as some experienced acupuncture and TCM massage for the first time. Some have ambitions to study it. Reporter Sun Sixi has a story.
On a day of many firsts, Julia Grunich from Germany is trying acupuncture for the first time. In her case, a needle into the Chu pressure point helps with insomnia. She has plans to enroll in the university's bachelor's program.
It felt a little bit numb, but it was quite relaxing, like not painful at all. I'm interested in learning TCM. I just want to get an impression from the school.
Brazilian student Bia Alarsa already knew a bit about TCM. During the lesson on basics, her classmates were surprised to learn pineapple is considered a warm food in TCM, meaning it has a tendency to cause allergies or make an inflammation worse, though it gives a cooling sensation when you ingest it.